What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Princess Fiona from Shrek. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'm going to start by lining up the top. You want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add two smaller circles in the center of each eye for the pupil, and we'll fill that in black. Now let's go in between the eyes and draw on the nose. We're going to start on the left side. Let's curve this down, across, and then up. Now I'm going to step up and draw a short curve going up and then down across the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw the mouth with a curve coming down from the left, then back up. And we're just going to add a bracket on the ends. Now I'm going to give our character some expression, so let's lower the left eyebrow on top of the left eye, going across and then bending that up. And I'm just going to add some thickness going across, and we'll fill the eyebrow in black. Now with the right eyebrow, we're going to raise this up. So let's start up here. Just going to line up the top point, going up and then down. Let's go back in, add some thickness, and it'll fill the inside of the eyebrow. Now with the face complete, let's draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step over. Let's curve the head, coming down and in underneath the mouth like a half circle, and then back up towards the right, towards the same height. Now let's draw the hairline. Starting back on the left, we're going to curve this in, go up above the eye, and then pull that down in the center. And do the same thing on the right, going up around the eye, come down, and then bend that out. Now let's add that hair going around the side of the head. We're going to start from this point, step down. I want to curve this around, go up, and then bend that in. Let's line this up on the right, go all the way around, bend this up, and then in. Now I want to tuck the ears in behind the hair. So let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this out, come around, and then in. Almost like drawing an oval. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's trace the ears along the inside. Let's move back to that center point, draw a straight line going up to separate the hair, and then work our way around the outside. Let's start with the left. We're going to go up, bend this out, and then down on top of the ears. Let's continue the hair underneath the ear, coming down. I'm just going to bend this in behind the head. Let's place that crown on top of the head. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top. Start with a point. Bend this out and down toward the left and right. Let's add another curve. We're going to go shorter along the side with that point. Bend this out and then down on top of the head. Now in the center of the crown, let's add a circle, and then draw a smaller circle in the center. Okay, so we completed the head. Let's work our way down the side of the body. On the left side, just underneath the head, then the body going out and then down towards the hip. Go to the right, do the same thing. Now from the hips, I want to bend this down and in towards a center point. Let's draw that again. From the left side, we're going to step up, trace that curve on the left, then up towards the right. Let's go back up to the top of the head. We're going to draw in the collar. Start with a straight line coming down. And we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. And then we just want to trace those lines along the inside. Now from the hips, let's draw the edge of the skirt. We're going to go out and then down towards the bottom. Connect the ends with a curve coming down and then back up. Let's move to the center, separate the legs with a straight line coming down towards the heels, and then round up the bottom of the feet, starting with the left, coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back over towards the left side, curve the foot, going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and then on top of the foot, draw a straight line going up underneath. Now I want to draw the edge of the slipper on top of the foot, then it's in and then down on both sides. And I'll follow the curve of the foot coming in towards the heel. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway between the chin and the hip, starting the arm right here, then it's out and down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. We're going to add 3 fingers on either side, starting from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket, step down, bend the second finger, and I'll add the third finger. We're going to blend this into the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Now let's close off the sleeve, starting from the top of the thumb, then it's down and out on top of that center finger, then it's out and then up to create a point. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Princess Fiona from Shrek. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on Skool. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.